Today, I'm going to show you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from being the default PDF opener on your Windows computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch to your preferred PDF viewer, whether it's Edge, Chrome, another app, or something lightweight and speedy. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, and I'll make sure you understand each part so you never feel lost. All right, let's dive right in. First, we need to access your system settings, where Windows manages which apps open which types of files. So, on your PC, go ahead and open Settings. That's the gear icon usually found when you click the Start menu. If you're not sure where to find it, you can always type Settings into the Windows search bar, and it should pop right up. Once you're inside Settings, look for the section called Apps. We're heading there because that's where all the magic happens when it comes to switching default programs. Click on Apps, and then from the sidebar or the list, select Default Apps. This area is basically the control center for deciding which software opens your files automatically. Now, instead of just searching for PDF under the default apps, we want to be quite precise. So within that default apps window, scroll down a bit until you see Choose Default Apps by File Type. Click on this option, and you'll be taken to a long list of file extensions. These are all the little codes at the end of your files, like .docx for Word or .jpg for pictures. We're focusing on .pdf today. This next part might take a minute because the list of file types is pretty long. Take your time and scroll down slowly until you see .pdf. Don't worry if you pass it. Just scroll back. It's better to go a little slower here so you don't miss it. Right next to My PDF, you'll see the app that's currently set as default. For most of us, it's probably Adobe Acrobat, especially if you've installed it before. Click right on that app's name. Windows will pop up with a menu of options, showing you other programs installed on your computer that can open PDF files. This could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, perhaps Foxit Reader, or any other PDF viewers you might have. At this stage, just select the app you want as your new default. For example, maybe you prefer Microsoft Edge because it launches faster, or Chrome because you often work within your browser. Or maybe you have a lightweight app for reading PDFs and want to make things even quicker. Just click the app you want, and Windows will save that choice. From now on, every time you double-click a PDF file, it'll open with the program you just picked. That's pretty much it. Changing your default PDF viewer only takes a few clicks, but it can make your everyday workflow much smoother, especially if Adobe Acrobat feels a little slow or bloated for your needs. If you ever change your mind or install a new app, you can come back to these same settings and update your default in just a minute. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you'd like help picking the best PDF viewer for your needs. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. See you in the next video.